Hello, 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 and hello, everybody. Welcome to your weather forecast. I'm Dooley Godot, also known as Mr. G. Happy Sunday evening. So we got a forecast that we're going to talk about your Monday. So this is what we're going to be seeing out there, at least the significant things that we're going to have to be talking about in tomorrow's forecast. So let's jump into that first map. This is our current conditions right now, and we have a big storm that's moving across the Midwest right now, and it's bringing showers and thunderstorms down across the southern plains and the parts of the lower Mississippi River Valley and into parts of the upper Midwest and the northern plains. We're seeing some rain out there and some embedded thunderstorms. We're not seeing any severe weather across Wisconsin and Minnesota, but we did have a very wet day out there where we picked up a good half-inch of rain, and we're still seeing some rain across northern Minnesota with a little bit of snow mixing in as well, but it's not accumulating. So we have some non-accumulating snow over parts of west central Minnesota and through north and parts of South Dakota as well. And we're going to see some thunderstorms from this activity coming up from the south. So we're going to get a little bit of a break in the evening hours right now. This is where we are. We're under that break. And then we're going to see some showers and thunderstorms possibly tonight coming up out of the south, up out of Iowa. We have that area of low pressure that's going to make its way up into eastern Canada. So a little bit of wet weather across the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest. And here is your forecast for tomorrow morning. And we're going to see showers and thunderstorms along the Gulf Coast through parts of the deep south and then up into the Ohio Valley, some scattered showers. And we're going to see some more rain across Minnesota and Wisconsin and to parts of northern Michigan. So the northwestern areas of the upper peninsula of Michigan, we're going to see some rain showers tomorrow morning. And then we're going to also see some snow over the parts of the Dakotas and into Wyoming and southern Montana. We're going to see some snow showers as well. Dry weather for much of the east. A little bit of rain possibly over parts of Puget Sound in Washington. But I think it'll be dry for Seattle in the morning. But you will see some rain showers moving to the Pacific Northwest over Seattle area in the evening hours. And we're going to still see some rain showers up across northern Minnesota and parts of the Dakotas as well. But I think we're going to see liquid precipitation. Showers and thunderstorms and some severe weather across East Texas. So we're going to see some severe weather across Texas and into parts of Louisiana. And we're going to see southern Arkansas pick up some severe weather as well. So a little bit of severe weather to talk about, but we have a slight risk for severe weather out there tomorrow. So we're going to see two disturbances bring some severe weather over the U.S. So we have this current storm system that's bringing that rainfall up into Minnesota, and we saw severe thunderstorms down through parts of Kansas and Oklahoma yesterday. But tomorrow, this is where the severe weather is going to be down here across East Texas, Louisiana, southern Arkansas, and parts of western Mississippi, where we can see some thunderstorms capable of producing large hail, damaging winds, and some isolated tornadoes as well. So as we have that system for tomorrow, we're going to see lots of moisture along the Gulf Coast. So East Texas and Louisiana, Arkansas, and parts of Missouri, we're going to see those severe thunderstorms tomorrow, and eastern Oklahoma. So get ready for that, and we'll have that potential there. And we're going to also have that eclipse tomorrow. Tomorrow is the big day where the eclipse comes in for a good portion of the country. Where I am, I'm going to be about 75% coverage, but unfortunately, we're going to have cloudy skies, so we won't be able to see it, but you'll definitely notice a change in the ambiance of the area of this seeming a little bit dimmer. You'll notice that, but you won't be able to see you won't be likely to see the eclipse here in Minnesota and Wisconsin, because it's going to be overcast, and it's going to be overcast down here across Texas as well, so you won't be able to see the eclipse. But across central Texas and this region here will be 100%, so you will definitely see it get dark, but you won't be able to get eyeballs really on the eclipse itself because of overcast conditions. Here is the forecast for Monday night. We'll still see severe thunderstorms through northeastern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, southern Arkansas, and northwestern Louisiana is where we have the severe weather threat tomorrow night. And then we're going to see that heavy rain down across the southeast as well. So Monday into Tuesday, we're still going to see some severe weather over eastern Texas and through parts of Louisiana as well, in southern Arkansas and extreme southern Oklahoma along the Red River. So Wichita Falls, Texas, we're going to see that potential, and McAllister, Oklahoma will also have that slight risk for some severe thunderstorms on your Tuesday afternoon. And then we're going to see that again on Wednesday. That severe threat will shift to the parts of Alabama, maybe West Florida, Mississippi, Arkansas, Louisiana, and East Texas once again, with that threat being damaging winds, some large hail, and an isolated tornado is going to be possible as well on your Wednesday. And here's where we're going to see heavy rainfall. We're going to see the heaviest rainfall over northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas, western Mississippi, and East Texas, where we're going to see the heaviest rainfall as we head into Wednesday. But a nice warm-up is on the way as well. We've seen it cooler across the east, but we're going to see those temperatures warm up quite nicely across the Midwest and the high plains. We're going to see warmth come up out of Texas, and then on Monday we're going to see that warmth making its way into the Great Lakes and the Ohio Valley, so we're going to see much warmer weather. And as we look at what we're going to see on Tuesday, the warmth will continue, and we'll see things moderate as well across the Great Lakes. So Minnesota, Wisconsin, and the Dakotas will start to warm up nicely. Those temperatures will hit in the 50s and 60s, and those are going to be what we saw Friday and Saturday. So here are your high temperatures for Monday and Tuesday over the Ohio Valley and in the east, and we're going to see those low 60s across the upper Midwest. But in the Northeast, we're going to see temperatures begin to reach the 70s. By the time we hit Tuesday, we're going to see those temperatures in the 70s across the Mid-South as well in Nashville. And as we head for your high temperatures, we're going to see Green Bay temperatures in the upper 50s, but we're going to see those lower 70s in Indianapolis, and we're going to see those temperatures hit the lower 70s, mid-70s by Tuesday in DC, and we're going to see temperatures fall back a little bit in Boston, as you're going to see 60 on Monday, but 55 on Tuesday, a few degrees cooler on your Tuesday. 76 down in Nashville on Monday, dropping to 69 on Tuesday, so a little bit of a dip in the temperatures for you folks as well. And we have our eclipse tomorrow, so get ready for that. That's going to be very exciting for that eclipse tomorrow, and this is going to be the times that it starts and ends, so get a load of that. And we're going to see, this is the progression of our eclipse, and this here represents where we're going to see 100%, 90%, and then it's going to drop to 80, 70. I live here, so ours is going to be right about the high 60s to 70%. So you can kind of gauge where you are and how much of the total eclipse you're going to see, or how much coverage there will be, so you can kind of gauge at that there. So here's again where we're going to be seeing the potential for wet weather down here across the south. So deep south, we have some severe weather on your Monday, so that's going to lead to overcast conditions And we also have wet weather here across the North Country, so that's going to lead to overcast conditions over this region as well. Again, you can see the cloud cover forecast for tomorrow. Very cloudy across Minnesota, northern Wisconsin, and the Dakotas, and then across Texas again, very cloudy across parts of the South. Not the best of clear skies for good viewing. A lot of folks is going to be a lot of clouds around, so that's going to kind of hamper the viewing opportunities for our eclipse tomorrow. But there will be another eclipse later on. We'll tell you about that in an upcoming video. But right now, that'll do it for this one. I'm Dooley Godot, also known as Mr. G, with your weather forecast and eclipse forecast. So thank you for watching me. Leave your likes, comments. Feel free to subscribe on YouTube, and you can follow me on TikTok. Have a great day tomorrow, and I will see you in the evening tomorrow. Bye-bye.